whole thing on my dash cam. Oh shit! Bro, I got that on video. Oh, I gotta make an Uber. I gotta make this Uber delivery eats. Oh my god!
Good. Yeah, we just saw a car accident right in front of us. And there's a brand new car. That guy was clearly not paying attention.
Picture. There's a little thunder shower down by Pearland. It's kind of moved up into the U of H area. Seems to be fizzling. Other than that,
yeah, he was like, just, it seemed like he was so giddy that somebody even remotely his height was in there. And, you know, and it was funny because there are a lot of places I go to where there's everybody's my height, everybody's short. I've been my ass! Quit telling me! Get off my ass! I'm trying to shit with you. And I don't know, I don't normally see that, you know, like every single day myself, if I must be honest. I hope that fucking CHP officer, when Chippy pulls her over. I hope that's that fucking bitch that he pulled over. I'm gonna fucking laugh my ass off if that's who he pulled over. I can't tell. I should have gotten off there just to see if that's who he did. I know he got. Instant karma, bitch. Serves your ass right for tailgating me like that. And then brake checking me too.
Oh, baby. He's gonna make it though.
Okay. I'm going to turn around and then go pull up into the little parking. Yeah, someone just got rear-ended.
Why do you want to
What a fucking idiot.